me. What are you doing? Oh no. I saw this thing on TikTok that said if you brush your cat with a damp toothbrush, it reminds them of being groomed by their mothers when they were kittens. So my cat hates being brushed, so I figured. Are you hot? Is that why you're laying on the kitchen tile? You're so bad.
You coming? Ready? Good boy. It's just better to, come straight on, here's as the crow flies, as they say. Bouncy, we can't ride if you're standing on the tire. It's just physics.
Dorime, interimo agapare dorime, ameno, latiremo, dorime.
Have one. You can have one bite. Sit. Oh my god. It's pistachio ice cream.
Instead of waiting for
I wasn't expecting that.
Waiting around through ups and downs, I just said, look.
How you like that? You gon' like that? Like that? How you like that? Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that? Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that?
Blood, double kill, triple kill, quadra kill, pentakill, ace, killing spree.